I got another box to open. This one's exciting. Stick around. Hey there, you're watching HamShackTV. Appreciate you tuning in. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you watching here today. Today's video is brought to you by Gigaparts. And why is it brought to you by Gigaparts? I have a box. This is a mystery box. So I'm excited to open it. Now, shop at Gigaparts. Guys, if you need anything ham radio related, Gigaparts is the way to go. What a beautiful store they have in Huntsville, Alabama. But you don't have to travel all the way to Huntsville to purchase from Gigaparts. They have a great website, gigaparts.com. And if you use my coupon code at checkout, you get double reward points. My coupon code is HamShackTV. So double reward points, you'll earn 2 points for every $1 that you spend. Easy enough to save big money on ham radio equipment and maker supplies and computer parts, all from Gigaparts. We appreciate their support. Now, after talking with Gigaparts, I was expecting this. I know this was coming. I have no idea what is in this box, but a pretty good size box. The folks at Gigaparts have asked me not to show what's in the box. So what you're going to get is my raw reaction to what's in the box. Pretty excited about this. So without further ado, let's dig in. The implement of opening is a screwdriver today. Y'all know I never have a knife handy. I'm always using a screwdriver or keys or something like that to open my boxes. There's that, and there's that. This one's open, and this one's open. All right, so here we go. Let's find out what we got. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. I know what that is. That's cool. I got so much stuff that I've been wanting out of this mystery box. This is so cool. So cool. Oh my goodness, this is great. That's great. This is great too. I can't show you what it is. I'm not allowed to show you what it is. Shout out to Gigaparts. Gigaparts stickers. These are awesome. And sorry, I'm a little bit distance away from the mic, so the audio may be a little weird. Got an Intellitron sticker too. I've got one little box here. Don't know what it is. Oh, that's cool. Nice little item. Yeah, I've been wanting one of those so bad. That's awesome. Another sticker. Shout out. I don't think they'll kill me for showing you the stickers, y'all. So, stickers are cool. What else do we got here? There's one other big item in here that I'm really excited about. That's cool. Well, I revealed that one on accident, guys, so there you go. It's just a good little camping cup. That'll go nice in the new camper. And then finally, oh, that's going to come in handy, y'all. Handy. I wish I could show you everything in here. I really do. But I can't. So this, have your own moment. I encourage you to have your own moment whenever you open your mystery box. Because, guys, this is stuff that I've been eyeballing and haven't wanted or haven't pulled the trigger on the purchase. I got these things in a mystery box, y'all. This mystery box was valued at $100. So there's that. But I can tell you this, just by looking at the stuff in the box, there's well over more than $100 in this thing. So guys, again, videos brought to you by Gigaparts.com. Go check out Gigaparts.com. You can order a mystery box directly from their website. So have this same experience. Did you see the joy in my face? I think you're going to love what you get. Try it out. A mystery box from Gigaparts. According to the owner, who I had a long conversation with at Huntsville, they've never had somebody dissatisfied with the mystery box. Gigaparts.com and use my coupon code HamShackTV. You'll get double reward points. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one. 73's AA4WX WSCB 693.